What is going on, my YouTube friends? So today we're going to be working on the wife's car. She's got a little buzzing coming from underneath. I think maybe a heat shield or something might be loose. I don't know. We did put an X pipe on it a few years back. I don't know if something came loose or what it is. And we also going to be putting on some jacking rails. So we're going to have a little fun with the wife's GT today. Yeah, buddy. I've been working on the Fairmont and everything. So she's like, when are you gonna work on my car? You know, got to take care of the wife, right? She helped me put the engine in the Fairmont, so now I have to. All right, let's turn this around and see what we got. All right, here we go. Wife's GT350, yeah, buddy. Sure is pretty, ain't it? Yeah, buddy. So here's the jacking rails. So we got those. Now we're gonna have to get that car jacked up, put some jack stands underneath it, and put these jacking rails on and find out where her little exhaust vibration is coming from. Yes, that is the deed today. And we do have a beautiful day to work outside. So let me get this thing jacked up and we'll bring you back. Yeah, buddy, look at that GT350 doing a wheelie in the driveway. So we got jacked up. So let me get these opened up. And we bring you back, buddy. Yeah, buddy, we got her sitting on jack stands. So nice and safe and rock and roll. Got the emergency brake on. I probably should throw something behind that back tire. And get the rocking and the rolling. So let's see what we got going on. Let me get these undone and I'll bring you back. All right, so we're under her Shelby. And you can see we got the seam sealer, so we got to get all that cleared off there so I can put these up on here. So we'll get that seam sealer off and I'll bring you back. We've already done this on the Mach 1. She wanted them in her car too, which makes it a lot easier for me if we're going to start doing our own oil changes, you know. Because the oil change, I think the last time was like $240 or something stupid. So we got to take that seam sealer, get that off the way so these will sit on there flush. So we'll do that and I'll bring you right back. So we got this side mounted. This is the passenger side. It's mounted up pretty nice. So we'll go right here, go along here, and then here we go. So yeah, mounts up nice. Yeah, buddy. Okay, let me bring you back. So our car's back down on the ground. We got the jacking rails on, and you know, actually those jacking rails kind of like serve a dual purpose. It kind of stiffens up the body too, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, I think they help out a little bit. So yeah, her car, she's got jacking rails on there. The vibration is coming from the tailpipes. So we're probably gonna have to take that to Ford and let them look at it, or an exhaust shop, or maybe even Donnie Wash. I don't know. We'll see what happens. We'll get that and get it out there and let them look at it, because I can't find it. I tightened up the clamps and everything else. I don't see nothing else under there rattling, but it is coming from the rear of the car. So we're gonna get that worked out, and that's it. Let me turn this around. So we got her car taken care of. Got the Fairmont. I'm gonna go piddle with that a little bit today, at least until she gets off of work, or I don't know, man. It's a beautiful day. I might get the bike out and take it for a ride, because it is a really nice day. She can pull her car up far enough. I can put the bike behind her car, because I'll probably pull that out more than she pulls her car out. So anyhow, guys, I just appreciate each and every one of you. Guys are awesome. And if anybody tells you any different, you tell them come see me and I'll tell them you're awesome. Have a great rest of your day, night, or whatever time it is you watch this.